Hello, this is Anand Ganesh the Great from Awesome psdmsolutions. Public speaking skills. This video is the continuation of the previous video. If you missed that, just click the link on the screen and watch it, then come back here. Let's go to the topic. Public speaking. To speak to the public, a number of people in front of stage, conducting webinars, workshops, seminars, more and more, performing functions, but we restrict it, right? Sometimes we feel that we don't have such knowledges, but we can. See, we people wish to listen to persons, right? If you be the person who is speaking, you feel proud, right? You can present yourself in any stage. You have to talk a story. You have to tell a story to the people. People love stories, even you, I think. When we were a kid, the teacher asked us to tell a story, right? Narrate a story. That time also we hesitate. I can't tell a story. How it's a difficult thing. But once we practice to tell stories, it brings miracles in people's life, in your life. You can narrate it well by practicing it. People love stories. People love stories. Now I'm going to narrate a wonderful story. It's not a story which I have created, but a happened incident. My friend shared this incident with me, which happened in her life. It happened recently, not a past. It happened recently. I should share. I asked permission to her to share this. She told okay, no problem. She is from Kodaikanal. She was a front office receptionist. She was doing his career well, good paid salary, life was going good. She had a son. He was an engineer working in Pondicherry. Unfortunately, both of them lost their jobs. Both of them, son and his mother. His mother was my friend. Okay, both of them lost their job. Suddenly, they planned to go to Coimbatore. In Coimbatore, it was a new place, right? They couldn't find anyone. But with their experiences and knowledge and awareness, engineer, the son was an engineer, a civil engineer. I proud to tell that because I am also an engineer. He was a civil engineer. He got placed in a company in this COVID-19 issue. A great thing. I thank that. He should be thankful to that construction company he's working now. Okay, it was going good. But what happened to her? She was seeking for job. She can't sit idle in home because she was working, right? She tried many jobs, but she couldn't get any job. After some time, she got frustrated. The moment she was sitting in her home, in a corner, her friend, a close friend, came to home and asked her what happened. What's the problem with you? She said, this happened. I am looking for a job. It's simple. See, there are many opportunities in this world. I will get you a job. No, don't worry. Don't be like this. Don't lose your hope. The time she got some support from her friend. Friendship. See, friendship hurts. At the time, she and her friend went to meet a person, an insurance agent. manager. He didn't take an interview about her, nothing. Even he didn't ask any resume or nothing. He appointed her. He appointed her because he, he, he shows his humanity. People lost their job. At the time, he gave an opportunity to her to perform in his company. Now, within these 3 months, she is earning 60,000 per month. 60,000 per month, but her before, where he was working as a former, sorry, where he was working as a front office receptionist, she was getting just 15,000, 15K. Now she's getting 60,000 per month in an insurance company. See, the life changes. It's a miracle happened in her life. I feel happy about her. I feel glad about that. She's living a wonderful life now. See, people, they have to focus on what we need, what we want. Life is filled with miracles and sometimes disappointments, frustrations come because it's a part. Once we overcome such struggles, there is an opportunity. There is some we have to, it brings some learnings, some lessons. She lost her hope at that time, but a person came in her life and solved her problem. Everything in a fraction of a second happened, right? It's a good story. I think the story inspired you. In this situation, it will be more helpful for you people. I feel very happy to tell this. Likewise, we can inspire people, motivate people. Once you do this, once you find this technique to inspire, motivate, and make the people to listen to you, bring changes, bring value in people, you can achieve anything. You will get motivated, you will be more inspired, you like yourself, the people who's hearing, they will also like themselves. Changes, miracles happens in life. We have to accept the situations. We have to know how to handle every situation with peace of mind. Patience plays there. Storytelling is the main thing you have to learn in public speaking skills. Thank you very much. If you wish to register, learn public speaking skills, just register on psdmsolutions.com. Another option is just dial ring ring 811 We are looking for your call. Thank you very much. Bye.